Hello everyone. Today let us learn Fleming left-hand rule and find numerical based on Fleming left-hand rule. Before we start, let us know what is Fleming left-hand rule. Hold your left hand fingers such a way that thumb, forefinger and middle finger is mutually perpendicular to each other. Thumb indicates a force. Here forefinger indicates magnetic field and middle finger indicates current, electric current here. Now I have taken a simple circuit here. These are the things we need to know before we get started. The flow of current usually will be from positive to negative terminal, positive to negative. But here electrons move from negative to positive. So in question, if at all we come across electron move in this particular direction, then we have to take the flow of current or the direction of current in opposite to that of electron. If it is given proton in the question, proton or a positively charged particle, then if a proton is moving in this particular direction like west to east or particular thing, then we will take the current direction also in same direction of that of proton. Now let us move. Now let's get started with the first question. Let us look out for the direction north, south, east and west. If it is in the question, if it is said downward, so we'll point downward. If it is up, we'll show upward this way. So now moving on with the first question. This is from NCERT textbook, page number 231. The question reads, an electron enters a magnetic field at right angle to it as shown in the figure. The direction of force acting on the electron will be. So according to Fleming left-hand rule, this is force, this is magnetic field and current. So we need to find the direction of the force here. Here in this one, the electron is moving in this direction. So instead of holding the electron direction this way, electric current will be opposite as I told you before. So this is electric current, magnetic field, you can see magnetic field this way. Thumb points downward, points into the page. So answer for this question will be into the page. Next question. This is again from NCERT question textbook, page number 232, blue questions. A positively charged particle, that is alpha particle, projected towards west is deflected towards north by magnetic field. Positively charged particle, proton, so the direction of current will be same as that of the positively charged particle, which is west here. Deflected word will give you that the particle is experiencing force, that is towards north. So here given is that is current, that is same direction, which is should be towards west, and the force is towards the north. We need to find out magnetic field. So hold it in a neutral position first. Now if this is now pointing towards east, but we want it towards west. If I turn this way, see this force is towards south. We need towards north. So I will turn this way. So this will become proton and this is the force towards north. Look at the magnetic field. It will point above. Upward. So answer for this will be upward direction. Yeah, moving on with the third question. Now, electron moving vertically upward is deflected towards south. See, electron is moving upward, deflected. This word will tell you that is a force is applied. Then is experienced towards south. So according to, we need to find out direction of magnetic field. So according to Fleming left-hand rule, when we open up, again current, magnetic field and force. Here what is given? Current, that is electron in upward direction, and deflected means this force. This one is towards south here. So when I hold it here, we know that electron is upward. So instead of taking upward, I will take down. See, down, and here towards the south, deflected towards south. So I'll tilt this way. So force experience is towards south and electron downward. Magnetic field will be towards east. Magnetic field, so the direction of magnetic field here will be towards east. Yeah, next fourth question. This is a little bit tricky question, but with the knowledge what you have done now until 3 questions, I think that will help us to solve this question. Imagine that you are sitting in a chamber with your back to one wall. An electron beam moving horizontally from back wall towards the front wall is deflected by strong magnetic field. Again you can see here it is deflected, and it is deflected towards right side. What is the direction of magnetic field? Okay, now let me show you here. If you are sitting, this is one wall. Imagine you are sitting here and this is the front wall. Electron enters from here. If electron enters here, so direction of current we should take it in opposite direction. We know this. Now, and the force applied is towards right side, right hand side, your right hand side. So let us hold Fleming left hand rule here. So this is electron, current. So electron is coming from back of the wall, so we need to take current opposite from the front wall. So I will take this way. Force is experienced right side, so what we'll do, I will take towards right. Look, current from front, and then force is experienced towards your right hand this way, and look at the magnetic field, it is downward. Magnetic field is downward. So answer for this one will be magnetic field will be, direction of magnetic field will be downward. Fifth question, try it yourself children. I hope you all understood and like the video. Do like, share and subscribe. Bye.